Hello, my name is Lauren Michelle. Some of you might know me as Michizzie of mychizziesmunchies. I created mychizziesmunchies as a way to start reviewing products. I also work in the food industry and I'm an aspiring comedian, and I just found that there were a lot of products labeling themselves as natural or doing something good for the planet or the environment, or their consumers, you know, saying that they were healthy, and then you read the ingredients and you find out they really aren't healthy. And so I created mychizziesmunchies as a way to highlight companies that are both doing things good for the planet, including helping animals. I'm a huge animal rights activist, and also doing things that help create good products for people as well, and products that we should actually spend our money on and not feel bad about spending our money on. So I started this review because I was looking for a mattress protector, and like many people that I've come to know, a lot of people don't know the difference between a mattress protector and a mattress topper. So I was looking for something. The mattress protector that I currently had was really old, had a lot of tears in it, just wasn't in good condition, and I found the myTopper by Sleep Beyond. They're an amazing company. They're out in, they 100% wool from Kyrgyzstan, which is in Eastern Europe. And what's really amazing about them is that the myTopper is totally hypoallergenic. They are super humane with how they treat the sheep on the farm. You know, the wool is sheared in a single fleece, which is really humane for the animal. They treat the animals super well. And what's also really cool is that the myTopper is good. I'll show you. I'm sitting on my myTopper right now. The myTopper is good for insulation. So I currently do not have an air conditioner right now. My air conditioner broke, which is awful. So you might hear a fan noise in the background of my video. And my room has just been super hot, just like disgusting, hard to sleep, wake up early in the morning, fall asleep at weird hours because it's just so hot and gross. And the myTopper actually keeps me cool. So the wool helps keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, which is super cool, pun intended. So the myTopper is amazing. It actually is a topper, not a mattress protector. So a mattress pad or a mattress protector is what you put on top of your mattress to protect it from spills and stains and the such. And a mattress topper actually enhances the comfort of your mattress. So if your mattress is kind of older and not as comfortable as it used to be, you can get a topper and it'll actually help that, which is really cool. So after about 3 days of sleeping on the myTopper, I noticed that my back wasn't hurting me as much, my neck wasn't hurting as much. Like, I instantly just felt better in the mornings. I was waking up more refreshed. I was waking up at an earlier hour than I usually do, but in a good way. You know, I was waking up at 8 in the morning instead of 10 in the morning, and it was just a super amazing experience. So I reached out to the company. I started talking to them a little bit more, finding out a little bit more what they're all about, which is how I found out about them shearing the sheep in a single fleece and where they're from. And I really fell in love with the product. So I'm hoping to review, they do actually have a mattress pad, what I was initially looking for. So I'm hoping to review that soon, and I'm hoping to also review possibly a fitted sheet of theirs soon, because they also make like some pretty awesome bedding and pillowcases and things like that. So I'm really excited about the mattress topper, the myTopper by Sleep Beyond. I'm really excited about growing mychizziesmunchies. Thank you so much for all of you who already do follow me. And this is my first video review. So yay, super cool, awesome. Hope you guys like it, and I'll be posting links and some photos of the myTopper in package and out of package on my bed as well. All right, keep on munching, bye.